Today is Saturday. I don't have work today. It's my day off. I woke up late at 9 a.m. I feel relaxed. I make a big breakfast. I have eggs and toast. I drink orange juice. My phone rings. Hello?
Hi, Alex. It's Tom.
Hi, Tom. How are you?
I'm good. Are you free today?
Yes, I am free.
Let's play basketball.
Great idea. Where?
At the park.
What time?
At 11 a.m.
Perfect. See you there. I arrive at the park. I see Tom with a basketball.
Hi, Alex.
Hi. Ready to play?
Yes. Let's start.
I love basketball.
Me too. It's fun.
I shoot the ball.
Good shot.
Thanks. Your turn.
I try to score.
Nice try.
Let's play a game.
Okay. First to 10 points.
You're winning.
I practice every week.
Really? When?
On Wednesday evenings.
That's cool.
What's your hobby?
I like painting.
Painting? That's interesting.
Yes, I paint landscapes.
Do you paint every day?
No, just on weekends.
Can I see your paintings?
Sure. Come to my house sometime.
That was a good game.
Yes. I had fun.
I'm hungry now.
Me too. Let's eat lunch.
There's a cafe nearby.
Perfect.
I want a sandwich.
I'll have pizza.
What would you like to drink?
Water, please.
I want lemonade.
Coming right up.
This pizza is delicious.
My sandwich is good too.
What are you doing tonight?
I'm meeting my girlfriend.
That's nice. What's her name?
Her name is Emma.
Where are you going?
To the movies.
What movie?
A romantic comedy.
Sounds fun.
Thanks for today, Tom.
Thank you too.
Let's play again next week.
Yes. Same time?
Perfect. See you later.
Bye, Alex.
I almost forgot that Emma was coming. I need to take a quick shower. I put on clean clothes. The doorbell rings. Hi, Emma.
Hi, Alex. You look nice.
Thank you. You look beautiful.
Are you ready?
Yes. Let's go.
I love this cinema.
Me too. It's very comfortable.
What time does the movie start?
At 7:30 p.m.
We have time for popcorn.
Good idea. The movie is starting.
I'm excited.
This is fun.
I love spending time with you.
Me too, Emma. That was a great movie.
Yes, I laughed a lot.
What a perfect day off.